girl, welcome to the vlog. You know it can go. Today is Sunday. We are both go up on the riverside. I'm not sure part where I go to the still, but you know, so we just bring you up on the journey. See you know. Big up to everybody who support the video. Like man, people don't like it. They subscribe with them, everybody. So go on journey to it. But you know, this one up here and things still a shake. Start sitting here right, because this is a mad with some Sunday dinner. Look like it a go nice too. Alright vlog girl, welcome back again. Today up on the spot. We are good on this. Down this where we are go. I don't know where down this today, but as you can hear, the water down there rush hard. First time being at this part still, you understand? So we're gonna go down there, do what we got to do, get some alcohol to drink, get some swimming on, and I know it guard is still. Alright, so JA Adventure and Outdoor Cooking, they're also here too. Active! So the name gonna go here, right down here, son, and you're gonna see amazing collab with all of us. Sorry guys, I was thinking to go down here in the river, but the way the water look right now, it looks like it's super cold, yo. It's kind of dirty though. I mean, I don't know if that's the actual color of it, but to me, it looks kind of dirty a bit. So we're here now doing the cooking and everything, and maybe if we find a way to go down there, we will. This bag. So you carry. Alright, so gang, what you know? We're trying to keep fire now and thing is in it. JA. Adventure JA. Outdoor Cooking. And your one and only Mr.Guyana. And we got Kelani here. Say hi, Kelani. Say hi. They know my thing. You wanna go? What you wanna say to them? Alright people, so this is all going now. We'll do some rotisserie chicken here. The cola beer pot still. Alright people, so this is how the chicken is gonna look. This is a rotisserie chicken. We will probably see this in a show still about real life adventure.